Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of WP Link Ninja, which launched on the 12th of April at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this really useful release from Randy Smith. And unfortunately, it's the nature of the affiliate marketing world that we live in at the moment that this product, which is actually really useful and does something that actually works, is probably going to sell a lot less copies than the software products and all of the other hypey stuff that's out there right now, which doesn't work at all, which isn't really fair, but then little in the world is. So we can only philosophize and just sort of look at how things are. But what I can say about WP Link Ninja is that if you can put yourself out of that hyped mindset that thinks everything has to be push button this and everything has to be done for you, delivering cash in 5 seconds and all of that stuff, then what you are going to get here is actually a really useful plugin that is going to do something that will earn you a lot of commissions in the longer term, because it's a lot more than a link cloaker, which is what the name probably suggests. It will also create done for you pages for you. Obviously you have to input the information, so it's not a push button done for you, but it's a done for you page creator that can display pages full of your links in a very attractive way. It will also create, a complete done for you web page for you. The software is actually very effective, obviously as a link cloaker as well, so it will avoid commissions of yours effectively being poached by someone else outside of your control. It's a non-hypey sales page. Everything about it is pretty much does what it says on the tin. So as the tagline says here, affiliate marketing is really cool, but people are cutting you out of your commissions. Obviously that's one of the main reasons for using a quality link cloaker. So if that sounds like it's of interest, and it should be, then listen on to this review. I'll also go through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up WP Link Ninja from the link underneath this video. You can get them by clicking any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. Attention online marketers, bloggers, consultants and affiliate marketers. I found a way to help you protect your sales and commissions in just a few clicks. It's time to grab your commissions that you work hard for. But as I said, this is a lot more than a link cloaker, as we'll see as we go through. This is the members area of WP Link Ninja, and we'll also have a look at the upsells. There are just a couple of upsells. The front end price for this is $17. There's no drop down coupon or anything like that. Randy doesn't go in for that stuff, rightly or wrongly, and a very short to the point sales video of just over a minute long. Okay, so let's deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video is in here. What is WP Link Ninja all about? It's true push button page creation. If you can click a menu option, you can use it, allowing fast affiliate link creation. It comes with pre-installed graphics, images and text options at every step of the way, making it super easy and fast to create and use. Randy himself, like me, is a self-described non-techie. So, if we can use this stuff, then you can too. Built with the 10 minutes rule in mind. I never want to spend 10 minutes before I see something I could use to make a profit. And with options that make sense to marketers, like free gifts and affiliate offers for you to use built in. And there's a tutorial here where you can watch how to use WP Link Ninja.
Hi guys, in this video we're going to give you a quick rundown of how to use the WP Link Ninja plugin.
Okay, so you can see everything that you need to know on that demo there in far more detail than I can go through. I'll show you the members area, but essentially I'm just going to show you how you can get to the training videos and get everything set up. Okay, so what am I going to throw in? First bonus, I'm going to throw in 7 steps to ClickBank success, how to show you how to make decent commissions on that platform. Article site builder, obviously you need a WordPress website to use WP Link Ninja. And with that site I'm going to show you how to build targeted article based content websites in minutes. Cougar Commissions is my flagship course for how I tackle affiliate marketing on a daily basis, or how I used to when I sort of first started out a couple of years ago. This is the blueprint model that will work for any newcomer to the business. At the time it was my best selling course. It's been eclipsed since. I'm going to give you free silver membership at Surefire Wealth, worth, as you can see here, $147. That will give you access to a load of free products that you can download and offer as bonuses in your promotions. Essential Emails is my flagship email marketing course, probably my best course if I would say so. Don't know. There's a few that are particularly good, but Essential Emails would definitely be one of my top 3 courses. Goldmine Seeker from Jamie Lewis is going to show you how you can make money flipping domains, which is the main way actually that he started making serious money online. Hello Newman is a great course from the admin of my high ticket course, the Elite Academy. The guy that is my admin, Lou Hornberger, he's going to show you how you can use Story to grow your list. High Ticket Hotshot is going to show you how you yourself can earn high ticket commissions. I don't want to go all sort of woolly on you, but I'm throwing in a lifestyle bonus here on how to design your life, because I think it's something that's often neglected by marketers organising themselves properly. And finally, just a sort of left field one, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day on Reddit using an unusual method. And of course all the vendor bonuses that Randy's giving away will be included as well. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. As I said, $17. There is Randy Smith. Designed for normal marketers to use, not technical online marketers. Designed to create good looking protected affiliate links. It allows you to share all your recommendations and links on easy to create hot product pages with no technical knowledge. Now I'm a subscriber on Randy's email list, and I know that at the bottom of all his emails he has a link to his hot page, and in there he's got like a list of the products that are hot at the moment from the last week or so, and he always gets sales off of that. He actually promotes that page specifically at the weekend, so he normally does like a free download giveaway at weekends, and then he'll include a link to his hot page. Like, I've had loads of sales from him at the weekend where he's been promoting my products, and he doesn't work at the weekend, so I know that that is only because he has used these hot pages to actually sell those products at the weekend. So I know they work because I've had sales myself for my products from his hot pages, and this is exactly what he's using to create them. It's a plugin designed from the ground up exclusively for online marketers who have little or no technical knowledge. That's just a repeat of the video that we've already seen. Build beautifully styled affiliate recommendation pages WordPress. Step 1, create a cloak link. Step 2, create a recommendation page. Step 3, style your link pages. You also comes with 24 ready-made pre-installed banners. All of these are included. 20 ready-made pre-installed backgrounds. 20 ready-made pre-installed headlines. 5 ready-made pre-installed ebook gifts, so these are all ready for you to give away. 10 ready-made pre-installed attention-grabbing banners. This is good value, folks, really. And simple push-button page creations, just an example of the sort of stuff that you can create with this. And help videos for every option in the plugin. Okay, bonuses from Randy. Bonus number 1 is JV School. Now these aren't just like rubbish PDF bonuses, these are serious products, folks. This is a 20-part video training course that gives you over the shoulder look at everything you need to use JV Zoo. Bonus number 2 is Warrior Plus training, a 20-part video course that Randy used when he first started working with product sales on Warrior Plus. And bonus 3, Sales Funnel Ninja. Again, a 20-part video training course showing all the steps you need to learn to create profit-making sales funnels around your product. So, and again, a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So, it's a very solid product, folks, and obviously I'm going to be recommending this to you. In terms of accessing the product, when you come to the members area, first of all, you're going to want to download the plugin. If you don't have a WordPress site, obviously you can create a new one from scratch. It's very easy to do. I don't have time to go into that, folks. I'm assuming that most people know how to create a WordPress site, but if you don't, there are loads of really good free tutorials on YouTube. Just type in on YouTube how to create a WordPress site from scratch, and you'll get, you know, dozens of them come up that you can follow. And again, with the help, one thing I like about Randy's products is that you get it in video format and you get it in PDF. So using the NLP, neuro-linguistic programming ideas, some people will prefer to see videos. In fact, probably 90% of people will, but there'll be 10 or maybe 20% of people that prefer to see the information written down that they can copy. But anyway, to view the help videos, we just click on the button here, and then we just decide, you know, say we want to learn how to build a page, then we just click on this button here, and then
hi guys, in this video we're going to talk,
and then the video starts running. It's as simple as that, folks. As I said, click there to access the PDF, and click here to access your bonuses. You can just download your bonuses here. It's as simple as that, everything delivered for you. In terms of the upsells, so upsell number 1 is copy and paste emails, 200 plus email newsletters, professionally written, that you can plug and play into your autoresponder for an instant boost in your open rates, click-throughs, sales and commissions. And upsell number 2, done for you squeeze page with PLR giveaway reports. Now it's not just one, it's 36 done for you professional squeeze pages and 36 done for you unique reports with full private label rights. Everything's done for you and can be used with any autoresponder software. These are not blank templates, so there's no need to write from scratch. Everything is done for you, genuine done for you. And that is pretty much it. Those upsells are $27 the first end from, the OTO 1, and $37 the OTO 2. I recommend both of them highly. I think this done for you squeeze page one is exceptional value. And that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all my bonuses down here, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. That will bring you through to the sales page. Click on add to cart, and then that will bring you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button here to access WP Link Ninja, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is all there is to this, folks. I'm going to give this 5 stars out of 5 because it is a very high quality and very useful product. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on that subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out a new recording. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of WP Link Ninja.